What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the High Vis Shirt. In today's episode of the Garage Build, we've got foundation concrete pour, so a big day for the project. Picking up where we left off in episode 4, on the screen you can see the completed foundation reinforcing. For the concrete pour, I elected to go with a 28-meter pump truck. Going with the pump truck added about $900 in cost to the project, but just being able to back the trucks up, move the boom wherever you need to, made the project nice and easy for the guys putting the mud on the ground. Alright folks, time to turn this foundation gray. So right at the start here, the guys laid a good solid layer around in the bottom of the footing just to get that filled up. Then we started in the northwest corner, working east. Now for me, when it comes to concrete, I like to leave it to the professionals. One thing I can do is pitch in, run the vibe, and get some good consolidation along the perimeter of that concrete. Don't get me wrong, I love to learn. I ask questions all the time. But concrete finishing is an art form to me, and it takes years of experience to get anywhere close to being able to do it yourself without direction. That is at least my humble opinion. Now with the concrete, we get to the waiting game. You can see the gentleman in the back's running the power trowel, just trying to wait for it to cure, start setting up, so we can get that hard trowel finish on it. And also here in the foreground, you can see the little mini project on my back patio, where we're adding a accent wall all the way around in a step and a half, kind of tying into the future sidewalk around the garage. So here it is, all finished up and done for the day. Just had to put some spray cure on it later in the evening. And then this was it all stripped out on a rainy day about a week later. So with that, just wanted to say thanks for watching. Tune in for the next episode. We'll be starting the framing process. Cheers, folks.